Good morning!
Athens vlog number 2. Hey there guys, this is day 2 of exploring Athens and seeing nothing historical at all. Just dropped something. And we just found this awesome church right here in Piraeus port region. Look at it. So we're just wandering around and without any reason we ended up at the port. I mean, I don't mind if we could board one of those cruise ships though.
I guess that even in Greece you can find tuk-tuks riding around. Oh Asia, Asia, we miss you so much. Pigeon compilation. Who is the best?
Guys, you are the ones to judge who is the best pigeon in town. Leave a comment. 1, 2 or 3. This is what happens when you decide to take a shortcut instead of the normal route and you get bored after like 3 hours of walking and not reaching your destination.
Attempt number 2, trying random street fruits. It looks good. Smells like actual mandarin. It's sour. Wait, it's really sour. Hey, oh, it tastes like lemon. It looks something like lemon and lime. Want to try?
No. Yeah. Oh. Nope. No, so sour. Oh. So guys, this is the good life and also one of the budget tips how you can travel cheap. Get a bottle of wine at the market, get some sliced cheese and some sliced halloumi.
Get halloumi?
There's going to be a ham. Get some halloumi. So get some cheese, get some salami, get some bread that we don't have and enjoy the views by the sea, having lunch.
Do you miss the bread?
Oh, I miss the bread. I mean, that's my staple, that's the most important thing. I could live just, you know, bread and wine, like the ancient people did, probably most likely. This is typical Greece. When you see all the Greek pictures from all the islands and wherever you are, it's blue roofs, white churches. So we found this right in the center of Athens, in Piraeus, the region by the port, and you find a place like this. Just gorgeous. just wow, another day here in Athens, and it has been amazing. Guys, you just saw everything we did. A little bit ridiculous though. Tomorrow is the museum day, and we're gonna visit Acropolis for free. And all the museums here in Athens, free of charge. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be pretty crowded, but it's the budget way to go. So we're gonna see you tomorrow. Bye! Just kidding. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Guys, thank you for having the time of your day to watch us. We'll see you in the next one.
They're brown, they get that way underground, there can't be much to do.
That's how educated 9 to 5 people entertain themselves.
And enough wine.
Guys, you're never getting old. It's just the spirit always stays young.